I am going to give you a room tour of Lauberge. They've renovated. Look at the nice colors. Very nice colors. They got rid of the old stuff. Anyhow, this is our room. We're on the 20th floor. Well, hello, automatic door opener. Hey, it's Amy. This room is really nice. Very contemporary style. So much prettier than it used to be. But Lauberge hadn't updated in a long time. Look at the colors. Look at the lamps. Nice headboard. There's Amy, my model. And look at the pictures. I mean, it looks great. I like it. We got a good view. The Golden Nugget over there. A beautiful sunset.
Pool view.
Pool view down there. The water. This is just a king-size luxury room. It's not a suite or anything like that, but it's really nice. And look what they did to the bathrooms. There I am. Contemporary. Took out the old bathtubs and the old showers. It's really pretty nice. It's really a nice bathroom. Looks good. Well, that's a room tour, 20th floor of Lauberge in Lake Charles.